2 years ago, we have went to CoPart to purchase this destroyed Subaru Impreza 2010 off the auction with 84,000 miles. Now the plans for this car was to remove the engine, take it out, because we had a Subaru Forester that had a blown engine, a rod sticking out, a whole hole in the block. So we had to remove the engine, got an engine hoist, removed it, and replaced the two motors with the wiring harness and all, and put it inside the blue Forester. And that started it all. That's how we got into Subaru. If y'all were interested in knowing, that's how we did. Full video is in the description below. But today's video, we're saying goodbye to the car that started it all. Now this car started it all for me. From taking out suspension and replacing them, to removing an engine, to taking apart interior, exhaust, just learning every single thing about a car. Alrighty, so I'm about to change the suspension of the parts car over there. Let's take a quick look at the suspension here. We got here, it looks like the tire hit here and started rubbing. The tire had to hit here for sure. The shock is completely bent, as you can see, starting from right here. Right there, the lower control arm is bent. This probably has a slight tweak right here, and the link completely broke off, like completely. So, but we don't need that where we're going, so that's all right. Other than that, that's it. I tried to take out, I forgot about this axle. I'm gonna have to take it out, but that's no problem. So let's get to taking out the suspension. So here is the shock. As you can see, it's completely, well, I don't know what you would like to call that, but this is also no good. This is also no good. It could be damage to the spindle, not too sure of that, but yep, that's the damage. This is going back on the parts car. Well, not really back, but this one's going on the parts car. And yeah. Alright, so just got done doing the suspension on this car. Everything actually fit up nicely. I thought it was not gonna fit there with the low control arm, and I thought it wasn't gonna fit there, but it actually did, which is pretty surprising. We got the old suspension over there. So like looking at this, we're planning on putting this on the red car. I don't know if this is safe. Yeah, I don't know if that's safe to put on the red car. We'll just have to see. Poor car. I mean, that wheel's already bent enough, so Lord have mercy. We needed a way to tow the car, so we took out the metal bumper from the destroyed Impreza that we have laying around, and we purchased a tow bar from Harbor Freight, and I drilled a couple holes on the metal bumper and fabbed up some bracketry and whatnot, and was able to attach the tow bar from Harbor Freight to the bumper. Oh, on the bar? You want to find out? But then once I started to fit on the bumper to the car, we had an issue. The chassis was so bent that we couldn't put the bumper back in. So we had to straighten out the chassis with a hydraulic ram. Oh wow. When we let it go, it should fit. Right? Oh look, too much? Oh, now the car's not good no more.
Fear not, it is simple fix. It is simple fix. You only need 3 tools: gasoline, match, and Geico, because that.
So it was finally time to get the car ready to get hooked up onto a pickup truck and get sent to the junkyard, unfortunately. And a great friend of ours helped us out really much. Very appreciated. A little bit of issue with the Hopper Freight tow bar, but worked out pretty good at the end. This is my final goodbyes for this car. Unfortunately, this car was our first car from the auction, has been with us from day one, and this car started it all for me, and the cars and stuff in the auction. It was a really nice car, 84,000 miles. Suspension wise, yeah, that's not good. No link. Yeah, that's pretty bad. But that's pretty much gonna be it. Final goodbyes, unfortunately. It's been a hectic journey with this car. Learned so much, from this car. And yeah, gotta catch you guys in the next video. Peace and God bless. Rest in peace. Subaru Impreza.